So for me, my kind of path to senior services started when I was a paramedic. Through that experience being a paramedic, I had a lot of hands-on care for people. And so a lot of the times the people that we were taking care of, our patients, were elders, just by the nature of the community that we served. And so I realized through those experiences that, first off, seniors are oftentimes the utilizers of our healthcare system, and what a great way to have a positive impact just on our community. And so for me, that's what it really came down to, is I had several different experiences with seniors that I took care of, and I just realized that these folks are deserving of good quality care. They've lived long lives. They're our parents, our grandparents. These are people that have fought wars for us, and so they just really deserve the very best care. And so being a part of that for me was something that I knew it was something that was special, and like I said, it's an honor to be able to serve those folks. I think senior services, the great thing about it is that, we're really reflecting on the past that people's have. For us to be able to care for people when they've reached this point of their lives, it really is an honor. And for me, service is something that I've been brought up to do. Both my parents are healthcare, caregivers. So for me, service to people was something that I've always, had a special spot for. At our Senior Life Center, being able to care for those people that just need a little extra help throughout their day, that is a really special honor that we get to do for them. So I think the most rewarding part of senior services is truly getting to spend time with the patients that we're caring for. In multiple different other settings in healthcare, you're with your patient for a very short amount of time, and that's ultimately a good thing. That means we get healthy and we get better, and we aren't in need of those services. But for long-term care and for senior services, the special thing is that we develop a relationship with our patients. They really are, they become like family members to us, and so going through that journey of life with them, even if it's towards the twilight of our lives, is a really special honor. And so to be able to care for folks that are at that stage of life is a very special thing. The fact that I've been coming up to this area my entire life. My grandparents are from a small town not far from here. So I've been coming up here since I was a very little kid. And so I always knew that I wanted to kind of return to this area the first chance I got. Reminded me a lot of where I grew up. So I grew up in a small town myself. So when I first experienced Reedsburg and kind of grew to know and love the place, it really just reminded me of where I grew up. So in my time here, I've come to realize that Reedsburg, the folks here, they take care of each other, and that's something that's really special. So I'm very, very fortunate to call this place home, and looking forward to raising my family here.